going on, YouTube? While I have 67 different holdings in my personal investment portfolio, ranging from individual stocks to ETFs, which are exchange-traded funds, I've always been extremely hesitant about investing in cryptocurrency. You know, a few weeks ago, I decided to give crypto a shot, and after hours of reading, after extensive research, and several videos, I opened an account with Coinbase and made my first crypto purchases. Notice I didn't say my first crypto purchase, my first crypto purchases. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Travel, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about credit. We talk about credit cards. We talk about personal finance, like in this video, points, miles, cashback, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket. If that's something you're interested in, do me a favor if you haven't already done so. Subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, in case you don't know, now you know, let's roll, baby. Hey, after watching the video, if this is something you're interested in, do me a favor, check out my referral link down in the description for Coinbase. After you invest with Coinbase, you'll receive $10 in Bitcoin, and I'll also receive $10 in Bitcoin. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get down into it. First and foremost, let me say this. I am not by any means a financial advisor. And this is not financial advice. This video is for information only, entertainment only, and it is strictly my opinion. Don't base your financial decisions on the decisions that I make. Okay, now we got that disclaimer out the way. I first have to give a huge shout out to one of my subscribers, Chase King, who really schooled your boy. He schooled me on crypto and told me how to make my first investment with cryptocurrency, where to go to purchase cryptocurrency, and even took it a step further and told me which coin to buy. Now, before I get down into the meat of this video, I must say, I want to mention the different coins that are in my crypto wallet. Now, I didn't just include one. I started out with 2, and then I added 3. Now I'm up to 9 different coins that are in my crypto wallet with Coinbase, and they are Cardano, and I'm going to go over each one of these and show you why I think right now may be the best time. I'm not saying it is for you, but it may be the best time to take a look. I'm not saying invest, but take a look at cryptocurrency and see if it can help you on your financial journey. Now, I have Cardano. I also have Litecoin. I also have Chainlink, Stellar Lumens, Ethereum, Cosmos, Polygon, and last but not least, the granddaddy of them all, I also have Bitcoin. Yeah, I must admit, I went from 0 to 100 real quick, and that's how I roll. I typically like to see what's out there, learn about it, study it. Now, this didn't happen overnight, and I don't want you to do it overnight. I'm not even telling you to invest. I spent a couple of weeks reviewing all this, looking at all this, and what I want to do in this video is look at the dips that have taken place recently in the crypto market and show you what I think right now may be the best time to take a look. I'm not saying invest, to take a look at investing in cryptocurrency and add this to your financial portfolio. All right, what I want to do is get down into what's in my crypto wallet. And before I do that, I have to think about one of the most famous investors that are out there, and that's Warren Buffett. He had a quote that says, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful." And I'm telling you right now, your boy is greedy. I'm trying to eat all the food off the plate when it comes to this crypto. Again, I'm not telling you to go out there and invest. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. This is for informational and entertainment purposes only, but I am about to take the fork, the knife, the spoon, the spatula, and be as greedy as I can. The first thing I want to look at, and I want to tell you why I think right now may be the best time for you to take a look. I'm not saying invest, just take a look at cryptocurrency. I'm not getting sponsored by anyone. I'm just looking at the opportunities that are out there. Right now, my biggest holding when it comes to crypto in my wallet is Cardano. And Cardano is currently at $1.16. It's down 20%. But I want to, with each of these, I want to look. A week ago, Cardano was at $2.13. That's $1 less than what it was a week ago. So instead of being nervous and selling my current position, I'm about to get my spoon. I should have brought a spoon on the set and scoop up some more and see where can this go. Now, I'm not going to go crazy. I'm not going to put all my money into this, but I am going to see. I'm going to scoop up a few more coins. I don't know how many. And it may be a future video that I'll talk about what happened and whether I went down, whether I went up. And next, I want to look at Ethereum. Ethereum is in my wallet. Now, Ethereum is a little pricey. It's $1,971.79. It's down 14.76%. But a week ago, Ethereum was trading at, let me get this back on the screen, $3,419.19. It's down $1,500. I don't look at it as a issue. I look at it as an opportunity. Now, some people look at a lot of things as the glass is half empty. I'm looking at this as my wallet is half empty because I lost half my money, but the opportunities are half full. Hopefully that didn't go over nobody's head. My wallet is down and the glass is half empty, but the opportunities are half full. Make sure you keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. Next, I want to take a look at we have, I'll come back. I'm going to save Bitcoin for last. I also have Binance Coin. I didn't mention it. I have it in my portfolio. It is currently trading at $236.39. It's down 58%. Oh my goodness. But a week ago, it was trading at $549.18. Again, I see opportunity. And this is why you may want to take a look at crypto. Don't go invest. Don't do what Rod's doing. I'm just saying take a look at it. Next thing I want to look at is, let me see who's next on the list. Next on the list will be Litecoin. Now, Litecoin, I really want to have a huge holding with them. I like what they're doing. I'm going to go back a week ago. They're currently trading at $132.32, down 55.91%. Oh, my goodness. Woo! Man, that's a lot of money, boy. I'm glad I didn't have a lot invested in it. But a week ago, they were trading at $295.22. Opportunity. And I normally in my videos say options, but I'm going to keep the O and the P there, but I'm going to change the TIONS to opportunity, baby, opportunity. So that's Litecoin. Then I also want to look at Chainlink, also in my crypto wallet. Chainlink, let me get down here, and I wish there was a way where I could do this without having to scroll, but it's at $17.90 right now, down 24.45%. But a week ago, it was trading at, here, let me get to a week ago, $39.04. Other opportunities. Now, am I going to invest in all of these? I'm going to try. Will I succeed? I'm not sure, but your boy's going to give it a heck of a try. One of the last ones I want to, well, before Bitcoin, one of the last ones I want to look at is Stellar Lumens. Stellar Lumens, I got them at a pretty good value. They're currently trading at 32 cents per coin, down 20.76%. But a week ago, they were trading at 68.6%. That's doubling my money, man. I'm scooping up. I've already scooped up. I'm going to be straight up with y'all. I scooped up some more Stellar Lumens last night. It was actually a little lower than this. And the last one I want to look at, obviously, is the big dog, the big daddy, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently trading at $32,903.08. Yes, I do have Bitcoin in my holdings. They are in my wallet. Obviously, I don't have one coin. I'm alone. I got a slither of a coin. I don't even have a half or a quarter or a piece of a coin. I have a slither of a coin. But going back 1 week ago, Bitcoin was trading at $45,524.74. That's a $13,000 difference. I don't have an entire coin, so I'm not expecting to make $13,000 in the next week or 2 weeks or a month, but in the upcoming months. And I'll be honest with you, I trade Bitcoin I slightly trade them. I don't buy that much of them because I think there's other opportunities out there. And the last one I want to look at is one that I have my eye on, one that I'm watching. Again, this is only Rod saying what he's thinking about doing. I think I got to go back up. I think I'm so excited here, I went past it. And that is ICP, or Internet Computer. Internet Computer is currently trading at $130.09. 1 week ago, it was trading at $214, almost double the money. I'm watching this one. I don't have this in my wallet. I am watching it. So it's just something I want to let everybody know. Again, man, I am just seeing what's out there. I'm saying this may be the time where you want to look at crypto. Start learning about crypto. I'm not saying invest in crypto, but I do think it is going to be in our financial future. And I want to make sure I don't miss the boat. I don't want to make sure I missed opportunity. And as always, I like to have options. So now I have something else included in my list of options for financial independence. I know this is different. I normally talk about credit cards, but in the intros, I always say we talk about credit cards, personal finance, and this does fall under that personal finance category. Let me know, do me a favor, tell me, what do you think about the huge dips in the crypto market? Are you worried that you're losing money? Are you gonna take advantage of this opportunity and add more crypto to your wallet? Is crypto something you've been thinking about but didn't quite understand? And if you don't, I'll be honest with you, I'm not a guru, I'm studying, but I give it about 2 months and I will be a guru. Let me know what you're thinking. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Get a video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends if they're looking at investing or they talked about investing. Share it on your social media platforms. And as always, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I'll be coming at you soon, dropping even more knowledge. And until then, hope you're having a great weekend. Let's get ready for a great week. And I will see y'all later. Peace.